What's up guys, welcome to Revline 89. So we got a hood in the back here. Quick story, ordered a custom hood for the Jeep and they could not deliver it here, so I met them about 2 miles away, picked it up, had to take it apart because the box was too big to fit in the Jeep. So we took it apart and now I just need to pull it out. So I took the box apart. So here's the hood, took the box off. As you can see, I had to take the box off, bend all the sides just to get it in here. And we got the seat down. That's how big this box is. Like, it's ridiculous. Oh my word. Look how big these boxes were. I mean, that's crazy. Much bigger in person. I don't know if you guys can actually see, but they took up the entire Jeep. That's how big they were. So this is the first official look at the hood. I have not looked at it at all. So this is it. You got air vents on the side, air vents on the side of the scoop. There is an insert that goes in here, and this is, brings air in as well. So fully functional. And that's it. That's the hood. Can't wait to actually get it on. Let's go ahead and show you guys. So it is steel. So let's show you guys how it looks from laying down. But yeah, this is my first official look at it. I went with something a little different. They make ones that have this on the side, but then, and one's up there, but it's kind of like a cowl. I wanted something a little different. So we are now putting on the new hood, the old hood. The paint didn't turn out too bad, but all right. So Jeep hood update, vehicle update, add the Rubicon decals and the new hood. Now I gotta take it to the car wash because it is filthy.